Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you were here on the last video now, you saw me buck up all this wood. Now this big piece of crap is some dead standing oaks. Quite a large tree they brought in, but I got some of the smaller stuff. Also made some sycamore wood. Now today we're going to be splitting this wood. Hopefully get a nice load of some Kaffsoxila here. And I got a little sycamore. I'll probably go ahead and do it all while I'm here. Why not? Just try to knock it out. It's getting to be into October now, and speaking of that, I still have my pants tucked into my socks. It's 83 degrees today. Still, it's been a hot, dry week. We had no rain for over a week. It's been about 82 to 85 degrees every day. The nights are a little bit cooler, but I'm still concerned that there's a lot of ticks out here. I haven't seen any lately, knock on wood. That was actually bark. I guess that's wood. There's some good hard wood. I haven't seen any ticks, don't want to see any, but I feel like they're still around, so I'm going to give that till the first frost. I'll be tucking my pants into my socks. So let's get making some wood here, and this wood will hopefully be dry by January, because it's getting sold whether or not it's dry. So give me just a second here. We'll get the splitter fired up now and get splitting some wood. I'm all about that good Kaffsoxila.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
All right, now let's get fired up here. YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and finish splitting all this wood. This oak is some decent wood in here. It'll be just fine by the time I get it all looking pretty and cleaned up and everything. That's going to be some good Burnin wood here this December, January, sometime around that time frame. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to finish cleaning up these little bit of sycamore and a few oak rounds, and I got another pile over the way down here, and I will check back in with you when we're done. We're going to get to unloading this wood. I'm going to pile it in the truck. Oh, the splitter just idled itself to death. Not a problem. You can probably hear me better. So anyways, I'm going to move it over here to my pile. I got a few pallets over here on the far right behind that cherry wood on the right. Going to stack that wood up here shortly. Stay tuned and I'll be right back with you. It will probably be pitch black by then. It's getting ready to be dark. So we'll see you here in the dark coming up in 2 seconds. All right, everybody. Now, I just thought I'd do a little closing statement here. It's hard to tell where that wood was, but that was 2 big, huge heaping truckloads of wood. So over 2 ricks, maybe 2.5 ricks. And it's all just kind of sitting right down through there now. So it's right behind that cherry wood, all back in that corner, and kind of piled up onto my scrounger wood there to the right. And the piles are kind of intermingling a little bit there. I was trying to throw it as hard as I could, and I kept throwing it right into the wall there. So I was trying to throw it up over the back, down the back side there, and it kept hitting the wall and not going as far as I thought it would. So it's kind of up over on my scrounger wood a little bit. But anyways, a pretty good amount of wood tonight. I'll see you guys next time.